Hi everyone, I'm Luke Wilcox, the founder of Ethos. I am with Geetu Sharma today. Geetu is the founder of AlphasFuture, and we're going to talk a little bit about sustainable investing. So Geetu, first question, could you tell us a little bit about yourself, about AlphasFuture and what you do?
Hi Luke, it's great to be here. Thank you very much for having me on this discussion. So my name is Geetu Sharma, and I am the founder of AlphasFuture. It's an investment advisory business with a focus on sustainability and impact. In line with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, we have identified 4 investment themes that we invest in. These are smart energy and materials, smart cities, sustainable food and agriculture, and health and well-being. And the idea is to invest in companies that are innovating to solve global sustainability challenges or enabling the drive to a more sustainable economy. I believe that innovation is key for a better tomorrow, for we need alternative solutions like clean energy or alternatives to plastic, access to innovative healthcare, more resilient and safe cities. And so we invest in companies that are developing new technologies in that space. We also exclude companies that have weak ESG ratings, like a ESG red flag.
Say a little bit about how you got started with sustainable investing.
Sure. So I have been working in the global financial markets for nearly 2 decades now, mostly in research and investing. But sustainable investing is something that I grew into early on in my career when I was working for a company called CRISIL in India. It's a credit rating agency and a subsidiary of Standard & Poor's. I was responsible for analyzing the governance profile of Indian corporates, and that was my intro into ESG investing or ESG research. And thereafter, during 2014 to 2018, I worked with Pictet Asset Management in Geneva, Switzerland, and co-managed their sustainable ESG strategies, equity strategies. This experience really got me going. It was a time when the UN SDG framework was established in 2015, and also the time when Paris Climate Agreement was signed to limit the global temperature increase to 1.5 degrees C. And I got the opportunity to understand some of these global issues, to learn from experts in that space. And now for the last 2 years, I have been working on AlphasFuture.
Could you say a little bit about why sustainable investing is so important today?
I think it's about the urgency. We are living through a sustainability crisis of unprecedented scale. Science is very clear that climate change is the biggest threat to humanity, and the world needs to take urgent action to slow the rise in temperatures. Otherwise, we risk significant human and economic losses. We are already seeing its face in the form of more severe and more frequent hurricanes, flooding, wildfires, heat waves, air pollution, etc. We also have limited natural resources on Earth, and we cannot keep extracting them at 4 times what the Earth can regenerate. So what this means is that we need to rethink how we consume, what we consume, and how we produce, and to build a more circular and regenerative economy, and we need to do it fast. Sustainable investing is a way to recognize this and to reward companies that are moving in this direction, are actually building such an economy. As investors, we have the ability to influence management decisions and what they are incentivized for. It's almost like voting with your money. So just like you don't want to buy products from companies that exploit their employees, why would you invest with such companies?
If I want to get started with sustainable investing, how can I do that as an investor?
Well, you can definitely check out alphasfuture.com. If you like, but I think investors should contact their financial advisors or financial planners, whoever they are employing to manage their investments, and ask them about sustainable investment solutions. If you are investing yourself, there are plenty of ETFs and funds in that space. And if you're investing in stocks directly, then there is enough research and data out there to, to analyze companies on ESG issues like the Ethos platform. You're doing a great job in
Thank you.
identifying some of these ESG metrics and concerns.
You're saying the financial return or performance of sustainable investments is as good or better than non-sustainable investments.
Yes, there's a lot of data that shows that. Of course, you can never guarantee performance, but like so far in 2020, ESG funds have done much better through the downturn and even in the recovery. So.
Yeah, it's great to hear. There's really no downside to at least exploring sustainable investments, and I'll definitely recommend you check out AlphasFuture. It's a great firm that Geetu has started, and yeah, please check it out, alphasfuture.com.
Thank you, Luke. It was great talking to you.
Yeah, thank you, Geetu.